Open disk utility by searching by its name. In the disk utility, click the container disk 1 and click the little plus icon to add a new APFS volume. Enter the name for your newly created volume. I chose Monterey. After the disk is created, the volume is created, the space is shared between all volumes. Launch the macOS 12 Monterey Beta installer. In the installer, you will need to select your newly created disk. In my case, it's named Monterey. Click Continue and the files will start unpacking. After the files have been unpacked, you will be asked to reboot your MacBook. Note that after first reboot, my MacBook was frozen and couldn't continue the installation process. But I had to force reboot it again, and after that everything worked fine.